How to hide your reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have latest version of Instagram application. As you can see on the screen, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So tap on open and it will lead us to the Instagram application over here. So make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the Reel section. Now, as you tap on the Reel section, you can see there are different reels. So select any of the reels over here and tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Manage. And as you tap on Manage, you can see there is no option to hide. So the only one thing that you can do over here is either you can archive this reel by archiving this option, or you can remove from your profile grid. So I'm going to tap on archive, tap on archive again. Now you can just go to your profile over here, refresh the page, and you can see the reel has been hidden over here on your Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.